Welcome back to Brad Morgan Adventures. Today we're trading the backcountry for public transportation on a 30.5-degree cliff. That's right, we're in Pittsburgh riding the legendary Duquesne Incline, a funicular that's basically a 19th century roller coaster running on pure engineering magic, and a cable older than most NHL franchises. We roll in, pay our 10 American dollars, which is like, what, 14 Canadian loonies and a splash of maple syrup? And step onto this beautiful wooden car from 1877. It was originally built to haul coal miners up Mount Washington because walking this hill would have been classified as cardio, and nobody wants that. I clipped the GoPro to the best view in the house and up we go at a blistering 6 miles per hour. That's right folks, 6. Hold on to your hats. This thing is counterbalanced by another car going down, like the world's slowest but friendliest teeter-totter. And somehow, it works flawlessly even in snowstorms, power outages, and whatever else Pittsburgh throws at it. As we rattle our way up this 30-degree cliff. Welcome to Pittsburgh. The city that looked at 3 rivers, 446 bridges, and a whole bunch of hills, and said, yeah, let's build here. This is the City of Champions, home of the Steelers, Penguins, Pirates, and about 9 million terrible towels that multiply when you're not looking. Pittsburgh started as an industrial powerhouse, steel mills, smokestacks, and people tougher than hockey pucks. Now it's all tech, medicine, universities, and folks who can name every bridge like their Pokemon. Down below is the famous Golden Triangle, where the Allegheny and Monongahela join forces to become the Ohio River, basically the Avengers of waterways. The people here are friendly, proud, and will absolutely argue about the best place to get a sandwich with fries inside it. So as this historic incline groans its way to the top, enjoy the sounds of 1877 engineering still doing its thing, and the city that refuses to stop winning. Here's 2 secrets most folks don't know. The Duquesne Incline was designed by Samuel Deichers, the same engineer who helped build the very first Ferris wheel. And this thing runs on a super rare 5-foot track gauge, the kind they use in Russia and Finland. Yes, that means Pittsburgh has been quietly international and unintentionally romantic since 1877.
That boat's got, see a little front? That little thing that drops down and lets people off. I wonder if that goes like right to the city.
The view from the top? Absolutely unreal. You can see the whole Golden Triangle, where 3 rivers come together. The Allegheny, the Monongahela, and the Ohio. It's basically the world's fanciest mermaid fork. Bridges everywhere, 446 of them. Pittsburgh has more bridges than Venice, which I assume annoys the Italians deeply. We hit the observation deck, get some epic photos, and the timing couldn't be better. The college football crowd is rolling in. There's a ferry hauling fans across the river, the marching band warming up, and the stadium filling like a giant yellow and black popcorn bucket. This is the City of Champions. We wander around Mount Washington, restaurants, shops, incredible lookout points, and then head into the upper station where all the magic happens. Downstairs you can see the guts and gears actually pulling the cars. Giant machinery turning slowly with the confidence of a grandparent who's fixed everything since 1877. They even have backup diesel generators in case of emergencies, because this incline refuses to quit. Then we get into the downbound car. GoPro clipped in the same spot for the ride down, which honestly feels even steeper. Pittsburgh really said, we don't do gentle slopes here. We do drama. Once we're at the bottom, we cross the river and hit Point State Park, where I switch to the Canon and grab some sweet shots of the incline crawling up and down the hill like a historical mountain goat. And that's another laugh and learn episode from Brad Morgan Adventures. If you like this ride on Pittsburgh's most iconic funicular, smash that subscribe button. We've got more adventures coming where history, humor, and pure Canadian chaos collide every time. Thanks for watching.